They were originally designed for microsurgery.
Fun, we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles.
Surgery?
Wasn't that the guy who died during plastic surgery?
3 hours in surgery.
Thank you. I know it's not brain surgery.
He was in surgery yesterday.
You're not going to his surgery tomorrow, are you?
He's gonna need a little surgery, but I think I found something.
I was on fast track.
What, you hurt, Lieutenant?
I passed all surgery.
Surgery. Painful, aren't they? They were originally designed for microsurgery. And any one of them.
And you're gonna have fun. We're all gonna have so much fucking fun we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling zippity-doo-dah out of your asshole.
News about Mademoiselle Simone Schul.
What department is she in?
Surgery?
Schul, with a C.
That's right.
Scorpion. I'll let you figure out what that means.
Wasn't that the guy who died during plastic surgery?
Best of our information, yes.
Oh, thanks. 3 hours in surgery. They rebuilt the first phalanx here.
No, I have no control over it. Yes, thank you. I know it's not brain surgery, and thank you for minimizing the process.
Biggles is gone, Chris. He was in surgery yesterday, and he died on that table.
Some fun.
No, I've got to learn this.
Well, you're not going to his surgery tomorrow, are you?
No?
Let's go.
How's Loomis?
He's gonna need a little surgery, but he'll be okay.
Industrial time, no vacations.
Ethan, I think I found something.
I was on fast track. She was surgery at 50, heart attack at 55. And she can...
What, you hurt, Lieutenant?
I passed all surgery.
Mary, heaven forbid.
Reputation.
Neck wound!
Surgery! No! I get him to surgery! In here!
What's your rush?
Surgery. There was that elevator disaster downtown. It was on the newsline.
Yeah, night, Charlie.
Did you by any chance have surgery last night?
Oh, you mean these? No. No, this is...
Very unique. One of a kind, actually. After I successfully removed your baby, I called for the chief of surgery. We held consultation, and we worked for hours.
There's no measurable response.
You do know what you're drinking is meant for eye surgery.
But now, and this is remarkable.
Going to Europe. Let the adults talk. You dye your hair. You get plastic surgery, like we talked about, right? You're the mother. How much do you think he's going to pay to get this fucking kid back?
The nurse came in and changed Pat's bed while he was in surgery and found his gun. Pat went straight back to prison on violation of his parole.
Who's Meyer?
His wife. She just had surgery for cancer. And you think you've got problems.
Sergeant Krebs and Christian, sir.
And bloody damn well about time. Now, will you get this man into surgery? Or are you planning to just let him stand here bleeding to death while you...
You were younger? Before the surgery?
Maybe I should run for office.
What? Do I have to make an appointment for open heart surgery or something to get an hour with you?
Hey, what's eating you, fruitcake?
Poor kids. Was in surgery. I felt I needed to do something.
Caroline, we have to go to surgery right now.
This is just a clumsy attempt at discouragement. I've been to Army hospitals, I've seen surgeries, I went and visited the malaria barges with Mama.
Hey! You good?
Yeah, you want some laser surgery?
Hey, what's those lasers? You can blind somebody, rig it!
Unnatural not to become involved with the patient.
There's nothing natural about surgery. You're cutting open someone's body. Is that natural? One day you'll have your hands around someone's heart.
If I can show you exactly where the tumor is and why we feel that surgery would be of no use. See,
it's over.
Hospitals in the city.
Why is that?
The blood is used for surgeries where there are no blood donors available.
I'm going to ask for your permission for my team to perform open brain surgery. But I don't want you to answer till we've had a...
Clothes, huh? And your jewelry? And your liquor? Who's going surgery, Lorraine!
You were the one who wanted me to get these things!
We're in the middle of a procedure here. You may all consider yourself.
I have my eyes, but no face. My friend, there's such a thing as plastic surgery. We can give you a face. But
take him to the surgery. We'll find a doctor.
By the U.S. government. And we all did a lot of surgeries on him when he was with the CIA. We changed his face a lot of times.
Have you had surgery, Mr. Murr?
No.
Lee was going to remove it, but now that you're here, I mean, just to see you perform even the most simple surgery would be one of the great thrills of my life.
Look at them.
For what reason?
I'm interested in unexplained coma following routine surgery.
You're interested?
Yes.
By the way, you said you did a terrific job tonight with the surgery.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Have you ever thought of having corrective surgery or prosthetics? I know a doctor that might be able to help you.
That's your earliest?
I'll make surgery till then.
Yeah, no. That's fine. Thanks, Alan. Bye. I'm going to see him tomorrow after lunch.
Once you start it.
What area do you work in, Dr. Linden? Surgery? No, I'm a research psychoanalyst.
He put me on a total care plan.
What's that?
She had to have some involved surgery. And so, I got to pay by the month.
In the future?
There was damage to the muscle wall from the surgery. You have an incompetent.
The surgery's been going on for hours and they're nowhere near done.
I thought you'd have a better chance. Oh, good God, how long does a man have to wait to get into surgery? Not long, usually.
I found wiring embedded in the tendons. Now I'm thinking surgery, a medical implant attached to the muscle. I also found
We're moving in 4 days. Do I have to do homework?
Suppose between now and Friday they teach brain surgery. I wouldn't want you to miss it.
Mother!
So sorry, Vincent. Mary didn't make it through the surgery. Her lungs were severely weakened by the infection.